Good morning. Welcome back to Good Morning Antigua Barbuda. Coming up at 7, just about 9 minutes away from now, is R. Anderson Edgel. He's going to be bringing to us our full details in terms of our news package for this Monday morning. Now it's time to talk about ITC Fest. It comes up on the 16th and 17th of September this year, 2009, and we've got Iber Spencer, who's here as a research officer within the Ministry of Information, Broadcasting and Telecommunications, Science and Technology, and also we have Naresh Velusamy. He's here, a part of the Digit Pulse Technologies, and they're going to tell us all what's in store coming up for ICT Fest 2009. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you doing?
I'm fine, thanks.
Good. And Naresh, all is
good?
Good
morning.
Good. Well, Iber, it's coming close. We're just about leaving our August, getting into September, and we have in about 2 weeks the ICT Fest. What can we expect?
Okay, thank you, William. This year's ICT Fest has an additional compartment to it, in that we are collaborating with the CTU, which is the Caribbean Telecommunications Union, in their roadshow that they are having across a few countries in the Caribbean. So in that regard, we will be having international presenters of seminars and possibly international exhibitors at ICT Fest.
Very, very good. And I guess that's where Naresh comes in terms of being a part of the CTU corporation.
No. Naresh is with us, I think, the second time. He's exhibiting with us for the second year. This is our 50th ICT Fest, and this is his second year as a local exhibitor.
Okay, great. Well, Naresh, I want you to, of course, give us a little details as to what really your company offers and what can persons expect in terms of features at the ICT Fest this year.
Okay, we are at Digipulse. We specialized in developing custom-based software for small businesses and corporates, and also like we design e-commerce-based solutions and payroll softwares, and also we have about 7 business solutions for Antigua, and it is tailored for Caribbean business trend.
Now, when you speak about the 7 solutions, are you talking about in terms of a retail point of sale system?
Yes, retail point of sale, and also automation of corporate companies like purchases, inventory management, and also manpower management, human resource and stuff. And we work with extensive sections of businesses, like it's completely automating their business process, simply.
Okay, great. Now, you said you do development for small companies. How really affordable or accessible is that service? Is it really for the upstart company with 2 employees, or is it really another level?
Yeah, we started with a small number of employees, and also we reach and also the company, basically, if any small companies, we provide solutions which is like affordable for them. Normally when you look at Antigua and before times, they completely depend on states or some other Canada to get the solutions, but which is not really suitable for them. They have to adopt other country policy. Now we are providing solutions which exactly meets their requirement and tailored for their needs.
Very, very good. I guess that's important because sometimes these pre-purchase programs would have a lot of, you said, other European or U.S. regulations, tax systems implemented that wouldn't really.
And also, when you look at the date format, they will consider different formats.
That's very, very true. Well, we're glad to know that this service is available. How many years you said they've been operating?
In Antigua, it's 3 years now.
3 years.
3.5
and you've, for all those years, you've been a part of the ITC Fest?
Yes, ITC.
Very, very good. Let's talk a little bit about, you mentioned that the CTU, IBER, will be being a part of our ITC Fest this year in terms of being this Caribbean roadshow tour that they're on.
Yes.
The facilitators, you have any names that you want to give mention to that will be facilitating in terms of presentations?
We're still in the process of finalizing those seminars, so I would not call the names out at this time. But I can give you a list of the exhibitors that we have so far. Sure. So far we have Search Antigua, Dadley Designs, Data Management Solutions, Sign Pro, the Free Trade and Processing Zone, Abbott, Antigua Nice, the Antigua and Barbuda Public Library, Heritage Securities, PSP Securities, Education for Advancement, SO Limited, Protect Solutions, Illuminat, and Digit Pulse Technologies, ACT, And within the ministry, of course, our ministry has the IT department for the government, and we also would have an exhibition booth within the ministry from the Information Technology Department, Telecommunications, the Connect Antigua and Barbuda Initiative, and also from our very own ABS, Digicel, and Special Security. We are still open for exhibitors. One exhibition booth is 500 EC, and we are still finalizing everything, but we're still open. You can contact me at 764-3540.
Very good. Another thing that I want to ask Naresh in terms of job opportunities for a young person out there that may be just fiddling with a computer. You're, of course, an advanced user of systems. What would you say to them in terms of really sticking with that system to be able to really understand that it can become a career? Talk to the youth out there.
Yeah, when you take the IT atmosphere in the global sector now, it is providing a lot of opportunity. And also when you look at our software solutions, when we provide solution, it is giving opportunity for them to work with the latest technology-based solutions. And also, like, when you equip with computers, definitely there is a lot of opportunity. It is going to increase their lifestyle, and also when you look at the company, the processes, it can be more faster than previous stages.
Right. But in terms of the systems, persons, I guess, need to understand the rule of thumb in terms of to get something out of the system, you have to really put it in.
Yes.
And that's really what your company does in terms of developing a program that can really automate things for us. But there has to be a process of inserting the formats, the formulas to really get the quick result back.
Yes.
Talk about that process.
Well, it is tedious one, like, basically complex calculations can be put it in, and then you can get it, the best result out of it. And also, not only that tedious complex calculations, and you can look at the global warming and stuff and things. You can go green, our concept. Reduce a lot of paperwork, make it complete computerization. And also you can avoid a lot of manual works. That means, like, if one corporate company is using our software and they're automating their processes. For example, one department has to request something to the purchase department. Now they're using paperwork, and they have to write, each department has to write some request, and then they have to send it to the purchase officer. It's a paper involved in it, and they have to manually carry it to the purchase officer. Now they can sit in front of the desk, write some request, click a button, it'll reach purchase officer.
Sounds good. Making life easy within the office environment.
Yes.
Some persons would then maybe claim it as being a little lazy because you're sitting all day at the desk. But we'll have to work that out at another time. But let's just wrap this up, Iber, in terms of the ITC Fest. It starts in about 2 weeks on the 16th. Where's it going to be?
This year's ICT Fest will be at the same venue, which is the Multipurpose Cultural and Exhibition Center. And as you said, it will be held on the 16th and the 17th of September from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. on both days. In addition to the exhibitions that persons will see and the seminars, we are also going to have our usual computer assembly games or competitions and our web searches, which mainly are geared toward getting the youth involved in the ICTs.
Okay, great. Well, we're just about out of time. I'm sure you guys will be back before the 16th to tell us more about it. So thank you, Naresh, for coming in for Digital Pulse Technologies, and Iber Spencer, Research Officer within the Ministry of Information. It's 7 o'clock now on our clock, and we join our Anderson Edgell at our NewsX for our news in details for this Monday. Good morning, Anderson.
Good morning.